architecture. The ancient Greeks were experts at designing and constructing buildings, in part because of their excellent understanding of mathematics. Ancient Greek architecture is best known for its use of columns. They came in three styles or orders: Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian. Many Roman buildings were built in the Greek style. Modern architects have also been influenced by ancient Greek design. You can see this influence in buildings such as the Bank of England in London, Birmingham Art Gallery, and the United States Capitol in Washington, D.C. The Acropolis. One of the most well-preserved and well-known examples of ancient Greek architecture is the Acropolis of Athens. It was a city built on a hill and surrounded by a strong defensive wall. Each building was dedicated to a god or goddess. There were altars, temples, and sanctuaries. People came from miles around to give gifts to the gods, to ask the priests to pray for them, and to celebrate religious festivals. Some of the buildings are still standing today. These include the Temple of Athena, Nike, the Parthenon, and the Theatre of Dionysus. The Parthenon. At the center of the Acropolis was an impressive temple called the Parthenon. It was dedicated to the goddess Athena. There was once a huge statue of Athena inside, made of gold and ivory. The temple was built on a platform of 3 steps. The roof was held up by posts and lintels. The posts were tall Doric columns. They ran around the outer edge of the building and were connected to each other at the top with lintels.